Well, so we have a train here at Cherry Street, and here's what I got from my friend Brett. Well, I don't know. I keep hearing more than one horn. I'm hearing a horn from down there, and I hear a horn coming from that curve. And I'm not really sure what that flashing yellow means. I think it means it's clear for 2 blocks. So we have a train meet all right, folks, I believe. That one's only about a mile. And the other one you cannot see because there is a curve down there. And about that one video, like I said, that sounded like a heritage unit. Well, actually, I'm videoing. Anyway, about that one video from Mommy Street when I said that the train horn sounded like a heritage unit, I was wrong. Well, we have a train meet all right, folks. Well, it feels like every time I hear a horn, it sounds like a heritage unit. But then every time it shows up, it's not a heritage. Oh, there go the gates at Brandon Road, which is down there. Yep, only about a half a mile, folks. Today is our Sunday extravaganza, folks, on December 18th. Oh, today is December 18th. Today is our Sunday extravaganza, folks, with a train meet. I'm not sure. I'm just saying that because oh yes. Train meet, but the light is saying that we do have a westbound. There's the flashing yellow. Well, okay, so that's it.